Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform. It's here for Memamuni Akwaba eba Melodies TV so. NDC for former MP for La Dade Kotopong, a friend no Nina Mwali. Now, he is a very popular person. Utie ni dinkra we very popular. Waka sembi na sa asemo waka no. You see, he has exposed the thinking of some politicians in this country. Amaye who say, as a nanseng, enyamabonia ekoso nina no, eye ne krese politicians, ebimo eka ho. Na nini na eye Kennedy Japan wasem. Say, for those who don't know, eye na eye nkrofo say, ensem we ya Kennedy Japan waka no, se wo kasa talking loosely no. Eye na nkrofo fi say eye nanseng no sha ase dabi, Kennedy Japan sha ase ache. Now, answer na meba na amwale asemo waka ne so no. I want to give you a brief history because some of our history na mamwa montiasia because based on that history no and na amwale so there waka say wo be no and there waba bontia ba beka even though one year but for the mere fact that a politician, a lawmaker was thinking of that no, it shows you say these politicians they will go extra length to break the laws. Now, so a normal Ghanaian in a could break law now. Now, a former NDC MP, into my story now, sana yaba and someone waka so because it is related, just like I told you. Samoba Kaya, a lot of people don't know this because our time not social media and share Daniel Kessier to say. In 2012, that time na NDC and Anaiwa Bemu, Kennedy Japan was arrested. Now, that time I arrested Kennedy Japan no, ye de no court, ye charging for treason. Na nini name no, ankwanko siaga judges no who said that be charged ye de abono no, any crime. Now, for those who don't know, treason and murder, they are the biggest charges ever in a country. And he said the treason ebowa ebetumi aba say you can go live in prison. And yes, NDC for time ye check Kennedy Japan tumu, ema ye the treason ebono. Obi baby sa say den na Kennedy Japan ye na chi ni tumu. What na radio so e kan sem na ensem no wakan say asantefo enchi aigbefo ene enkranfo na wo monfa ade embo mutrim enku wo. He said that on live radio, you know, and that's what is Kennedy Japan can be bia. In fact, he has said worse things about Barbecue. It is not today he started. In 2012, Kennedy Japan said that he incited Obibekan tribal comments against West and guns. Wakase yemfa yempe embo any aba asante fompe embo ni aba no monfa hwehwe aibefo ene nkranfo trim ni yenku omo. In 2012 okansa no na BNI4 be mu because he said it on live radio. And a BNI4 be mu a ye be chi no and e ka said that be commenter wo ma ye no a treason. He's a member of parliament. Any kwan say wakasa sa den na che say ni na be mu. Now, intia no na ni na Mwali. As our time no now we MP NDC on the ticket of NDC for La Dade Kotopong no. O say woni afote agbo wo mo plane ye se wo mo pema enkrofo ache Kennedy Japan avem no. Muntieni yo na enya me na meka me they have told you I am a social commentator. Eni kwanse wo bi babeka say na Melodies bo audio ni enti materials sisi an Ghana. Okofa will be audio be bope ni a report wa my YouTube na YouTube for aba be close your channel down. Okofa obi we ebun disi ade nkrofo be so mo trese wo mo ni ate intino audio krana fair use Ghana has said they respect fair use. But me no ye sha say ye ade we ache. I am a social commentator. If you want to hear what he said, Happy FM4 they have a YouTube channel. You can go there and listen. Intino wakaye in an interview with a Frifa Katetri ewo Happy FM eno kansa ansem no inti they planned to beat Kennedy Japan one more plan ye oni afoteagbo emba bontin be kasa inti na no you can say indeed it is true but NDC former MP IFNO Nina Mwale eno kansa asem we radio so ende amene wo kase na nina ene se wonu Nina Mwale no wo ye nkrani na wo ye nkrani na Kennedy Japan aka se asantefo enche nkranfo embo omo no ono nso nkrani no hu ne se daabi sa asem wa Kennedy Japan waka no ono nso be ma ya chicken Japan ne ya bono na Kennedy Japan we di esua nyansa ne ya bu Kennedy Japan obesua nyansa se sa asem a wokokan ne sebe eye nkwase asem eno hunti na waka so be sa. You see, and let me say this, sa time no na Nina Mwale, even though I'm bim or say yes ni nechi no eyebufuo ene ma na dwen sa na later still na opeso oye but later ebufuo ne tekọ nti ebufuo ne betekọ no na afei eni ni mu se wonye Kennedy Japan sa biom nti na afei plan no wono a wotuguye but eyade a wo mo plan yes na nkombe ma Kennedy Japan ya bo no. And I want to say this, for me obia sa time na woyem rashe bedwani Kennedy Japan waka bibi sa time na embra any needy because ye de ne court, he was tried in court ema ye release no sa time na embra any needy na still politician you think this way. And I'm telling you this, it exposes the mentalities of our politicians. If he could think this way, politician himself, embra yaka Ghana has a yesi ukwachi wo bi kra se owi ade kra na fane court embra ntrese bono na politician embra na embra taking the course no wono osi e ba ni trim se won kobo pa ne emebo Kennedy Japan enku no onompo de maybe he's a good person and later ebufo ne ko ye no wo jaaye. So just imagine another person who is also a politician as a sebre ebia wono no de wo yobi because obiane ne temperament nkrofo bi wo ho a ne bufu a wo kosroba from unforget that baby a Nina Mwale oyobi a wono no ne bufu a na afemframa be fa so a ojai. So imagine a politician in this country will be aka bibi enu hunti wa bopasi enkoku no. Me I'm not surprised. Say Nansen Ghana and ya bopa yenkoku sisia. Just before I'm posting this, me post this story on Legon, senior lecturer, law lecturer ya kwa kokunu woni fie. Me sanso post this story bi on a banker bia wono nso nipa bonifo bi akwa kokuno. And so if a politician now, because at the end he has the confidence to come out to tell us this, it is only God who knows what that politician has done to other people, or it is only God who knows what other politicians who were also in his position and were feeling the way he was also feeling, or have done to other people who have made them feel the same way. Because if you can think of this, not just say, "Ebia, why you be paying?" Yes, so time the Kennedy Japan kind of one can ye. Into those who don't know, mekai so time no Kennedy Japan ba bontia ye chin no court ye release no or ba bontia sema kind say nansen won't make such a comment biom. One can ansem ni biom. One kasasa e wo radio subium, one kasasa wo TV subium. But fast forward 8 years later, today possibly wo ba be court na wakwa explanatory judge denti a wodi judge atem na tre say sa promise na wo no ma ye in 2012 grand when this so, but that's not what we are talking about. I'm talking about the mentality of Nina Mwale. How could he have thought of that? And I'm saying yes, one, he didn't continue to do it until no there, yes, one to also say obey, but to even think of that in the first place, my menka asem me obi amenye wudini inti wobi di ubone na afi, and it's I don't know, but wobi di ubone and wobi can bibi. Now the first thing that comes to your mind then say nipa kono wonkoko di ne wo a obi beti na echi aka say ebia wa ye bi pen se wonye bi pen a adan na wadwen be kwa kodi sa ade ne so obi wo ho ye ne bone a di onima ne se bode be che to say senia eye K3 Kwame Adepa waka no bɔne mpem baabi a bɔne edu obi wɔ hɔ yɛ ne bɔne sɛ deɛ nkra na wɔbɛgya ama Nyankopɔn because that is what that person knows. To me deɛ no if that time Nina Mwale, who was a minister, who was an MP, a lawmaker, was thinking of organizing boys to beat Kennedy Japan that time, then this time, if you use ratio and proportion and you use probability, it could mean that this time, Krano, there are people in parliament who are also having even similar thoughts or even worse. They are having mindset that are worse than Senyana Namwale were doing 8 years ago. And if this time we have such members in parliament, only God knows what they have done to other people who are their enemies or other people who have offended them. Only God knows. Only God knows. Tia somewhere that no. Muntra mwaju wa comment box mtie for medase.